Papa J chorus lang alam ko dyan. I'd like to say we gave it a try. I like to blame it all on life. Or maybe we just weren't right, but that's a lie. Please follow me, everyone. That's a lie, and we can't deny it as much as we want. Thank you, Mrs. Kevin. But in time, our feelings will show. 'Cause sooner or later, hello, God, while we gave up, the truth is everyone knows. Almost is never enough. So close to being in love. If I would have known that you wanted me the way I wanted you, then maybe we wouldn't be too much apart, but right here in each other's arms. And we almost knew what love was. But almost is never enough. If I could change the world overnight, there'd be no such thing as goodbye. Dito na si Fernan. You'd be standing right where you were, and we'd get the chance we deserve. Whoa, try to deny it as much as you want. Ay, but it's time. Wait lang, sorry. Ginagawa ko yung kay Ariane. As much as you want, but in time our feelings will show. 'Cause sooner or later, hello Asher, hello Gamer Zone, give up. The truth is everyone knows. Almost is never enough. Hello Rian, so close to being in love. If I would have known that you want me the way I wanted you, then maybe we wouldn't be too much apart, but right here in each other's arms. And we almost knew what love was, but almost is never enough. Thank you guys, thank you so much everyone. Salamat po sa mga nanonood, sa mga nagpo-follow sa akin. Thank you so much sa mga nagtap-tap-tap-tap-tap-tap-tap-tap-tap-tap. Sa mga nagtatap-tap ng screen, thank you po. Welcome mga cakes. And salamat din po sa mga nagre-request at sa mga nagbibigay ng gift. Syempre, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Okay, for my next song, Sa Kabilang Buhay. Okay. Ay, sorry. Sa female key tayo. Ay, andito po yung nag-request ng Sa Kabilang Buhay. Andito pa siya, si Smile. Andito pa ata. Ayan, nandiyan. Thank you everyone. My next song is Kabilang Buhay. Thank you so much everyone. Salamat po. Paano ba to? Sorry. Teka. Sorry. Try ko lang to everyone, keep tapping the screen, guys. Thank you so much po sa mga nagpa-follow. Please help me reach 18K, everyone. Thank you so much. Salamat po sa inyo. Sa sayang mga araw na kasama kita, paglalambing kulit mo na hindi nakakasama, punong-puno ng ligaya ang ating pagsasama, na parang wala nang sisira ng lahat. Bakit ba dumating ang oras na ito? Thank you for the guest. Nabalitaan ko na wala ka na. Hindi ba't sabi mo hindi mo ko iiwan? Hindi pa ba bayaan na ako'y mag-isa? Hindi ba't sabi mo sabay tayong tatanda? Bakit bigla ka na lang nandyan sa kabilang buhay? Thank you, everyone. Keep tapping the screen. Thank you so much. Alam mo pa ba to? Parang hindi ko na alam yung part na to. Thank you, Smile. Sorry, hindi ko na alam yung next part. Hindi ako sure sa tono if same lang ba. Sorry, thank you so much. Thank you for requesting that song. Thank you so much. Keep tapping the screen, everyone. Please follow me. Thank you so much po. Kuya Biwa, ano pong next request? Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Keep tapping the screen po. Thank you po sa mga nagbibigay ng gifts. Magkabilang mundo. Okay. Sino nag-request nito? Feel ko in love yung nag-request nito, yung magkabilang mundo. Baliw ka, Gab. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Please follow me. Thank you so much. Kahit nasaan ka man, di ka papalitan. Nag-iisa ka lang, kahit na langit at lupa ko ang bituin ay akin na damhin. Pag naiisip ka, sabay tayong mga tugag. Dito ay umaga at dyan ay gabi. Ang oras natin ay magkasalungat at aking hapunan ay umagahan. Ngunit kahit na anong mangyari, balang araw ay makakapiling ka. Thank you guys, keep tapping the screen. Thank you po. Salamat po sa mga nagpo-follow dyan. Thank you po. Hihintayin kita kahit nasaan ka pa. Di ako mawawala kahit na may dumating pa. Dito lang ako iibig sa iyo hanggat nandyan ka pa, hanggat wala ka pang iba. Dito ay umaga at dyan ay gabi. Ang oras na Papa J natin ay magkasalungat at aking hapunan ay umagahan. Ngunit kahit na anong mangyari, walang araw ay makakapiling ka. Thank you everyone, keep tapping the screen guys. Dito ay umaga, dyan ay gabi. Ang oras natin ay magkasalungat. Aking hapunan ay umagahan. Ngunit kahit na anong mangyari, umaga dyan ay gabi. Ang oras natin. Thank you, Body Cutie. Thank you so much. Aking hapunan ay umagahan. Ngunit kahit na anong mangyari, balang araw ay makakapiling ka. Thank you po. Salamat po sa inyo. Ayan. Let's go. Ayan. Thank you so much everyone. Salamat po. Thank you so much po. Salamat po sa mga nag-request for first set. Thank you po sa lahat po ng gifts at salamat po sa mga nagtatap-tap-tap ng screen. Thank you, Asher, for all the gifts. Uy, sa idol pala ito eh. Thank you, Ronald. Thank you for following me. Thank you, guys. Sa mga nagpa-follow po dyan, maraming salamat. Please help me reach 18K followers. Please, please, please. Pretty, please. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, guys. Wait. Claim natin to lahat. Na ba ito mga rewards? Ayan. Kamusta naman kayo? Ay. Kamusta naman kayo, everyone? Yes. Sige, for second set. Guys, for second set, mag-ano naman tayo? Upbeat. Para ano tayo? Para salit-salitan. Request kayo ng upbeat. Tapos third set, iba naman uli. Ganon. Para ano? Para iba-iba tayo ng ano. Thank you, Fernan. Thank you. Thank you, Asher. How about you, Bunso? Kamusta ka? Eto, nagtatampo. Kasi, ang hirap. Charis, Amy. Gawa-gawa. Hindi, okay naman. Okay ako, guys. Lagi naman ako okay. Ayun na, nagmaldita na naman siya. Lagi na lang nagmamaldita. Hindi, okay lang ako. Happy, ganyan. Kay Cryptos ako nagtatampo. Kayo, okay lang kayo. Ako, okay ako. Masaya. Dapat lagi lang tayo masaya sa life. Tama? Oh, mali. Hello all for my edits. Hello, duda sa tampo. Bakit ako? Ikaw talaga. Ako hindi ako okay. Ako somewhat okay. Okay lang yan. Apaka ano no. Okay lang yan. Hindi. Okay lang yan. Ganyan talaga. Araw-araw iba-iba tayo ng pinagdadaanan. Pero bakit ka nagtampo sa akin? Kasi. Thank you, Papa J. Ay, thank you, Papa J. Hello, Papa J. Diyos ko, Lord. Thank you sa pagpasok, Papa J. Sorry, lutang. Ayan. O, sige. Request na kayo for second set. Go. Mag-request kayo medyo upbeat. Tapos, for the third set, iba naman. Advice naman. Hello, Chess Sniper. Anong advice? Laumsong saya nun. Upbeat nga yun, ate. Siyang galing. Calle Esquinita. I got that. Request. Nakanta ko na yung request mo, Nakshi. Fernan, nakanta ko na yung request. Hello, Kuya Rod! Fernan, nakanta ko na yung request mo. Hello, Kuya Rod. Calle Esquinita, Lansangan. Bang-bang daw para bumpanis. Mag-request na kayo yung seryoso. Hala. Hala. Thank you so much, Gamerzone, for the finger heart. Oh, thank you so much, Gamerzone. Thank you so much. Nang namin is, kakabalik lang namin is Oriental. Ay, okay. Request ka na lang iba, Fernan. Request ka uli. Tapos kantahin ko. Hello, King! Listen daw, sabi niya. Sinabi niya talaga yun. Sinabi niya talaga yun. Jing, jing! Awitin mo, isasayaw ko. Ayan. Mag-request nga kayo. Seryoso kasi. Mamaya, pagtripan niyo ako eh. Fernan, mag-request ka ng ibang song. Sorry, Ate Magic. Okay lang. No problem. Awitin mo, magre-relapse ako. Ang relapse ba yun, King? Hello, Hydrax! Meron na ba? Hindi ko alam, kuya. Ang gulo nila eh. Sinisi kayo. Kuya, ang gulo nila eh. Ayaw magseryoso Ay! Thank you, Hydrax. Okay, ngayon pa lang magsa-start. Go, mag-decide na kayo. Oo, kuya, ikaw na mag-decide. Namamaga pa rin. Ay, nako, itong muso ko. Kulang kasi sa tubig. Kaya inom tayo. Yeah. Hello. Love on top. Mukhang buruhan, hindi ko inayos yung buhok ko. Nagtali kasi ako, tapos hindi ko nagustuhan. So, tinanggal ko siya. Oo, ganun. Kasi, nabago na siya. Di kakanta si Madge pag di pa puno yung second set. Oo, di ako kakanta. Si Kuya po na magde-decision sa kung anong gagawin ko sa live. No, Kuya. Di talaga ako kakanta pag di di puno yan. Naiiyak na ako. Charis. Kuya, awitin mo at isasayaw ko daw po. Ayoko na, hindi na ako kakanta pag hindi puno yan. Nagwaldita na naman. Sige, game. Simulan na natin dyan, tapos request na lang kayo ulit. Tapos isusumbong kita. Awitin mo. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko.
Magandang umaga,
New Vicks Vapor Drops Extra Strong.
Ay, nasa YouTube ako. Ay, wait lang. Thank you guys. Keep tapping the screen. Sumayaw kayo dyan. Te, totoo yung gulat ko, te. Ang lakas masyado. Nakanta mo na before yung... Anong roar? Jing Jing, hindi ako familiar. Please follow me, everyone. Nakanta mo na ba? I mean, yung roar? Before, nakanta ko na. Di ba nga kinanta? Ay, wala ka ba kahapon? Ay, wala ka kahapon, Gab. Ain't it fun? Jing Jing, baka may iba pa. Di ako sure eh. May Valentine's, di ako masyadong sure kung alam ko yung full song. 8 minutes pala yung awitin mo at isasayaw ko. Agi, mag-love on top na tayo. Pa-pa-pa-da. Pa-pa-pa-da. Kaya nga nagulat din ako 8 minutes. Kaya pala parang hindi natapos. Hindi natatapos. 8 minutes pala. Pa-pa-pa-da. Thank you so much, Mark Mazzo. Pa-pa-pa-da. Pa-pa-da. Honey, honey, thank you, Mark. Can see the stars all the way from here. Bakla, can't you see the glow under pain? I can feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time you touch me, I just melt away. Now everybody asks me why I'm smiling out from me to real. Oh, but I know, nothing's perfect, but it's worth it. After fighting through my tears, and finally you put me first, baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. Thank you, Mark. When I need you, make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top of the machine and oh, come on, baby. Top, 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 top. You put my love on top. Oh, come on, baby. Top, 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 top. Baby, baby, I can feel the wind whipping past my face as we dance, but I'm away. For your lips taste like a night of champagne. As I kiss you again and again and again and again. Everybody asks me why I'm smiling out for me to hear. Oh, but I know, nothing's perfect, but it's worth it. After fighting through my tears, and finally you put me first, baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives your all. You're the one I can always call. When I need you, baby, everything's up. Finally, you put the love on top. Oh, come on, baby. Top, top, top. Hi, Tina Jam. You put my love on top of the triangle. Oh, come on, baby. Eto na, higher, higher, higher. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I can always call. When I need you, baby, everything's up. Finally, you put my love on top. Baby, you're the one that I love. Baby, you're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Baby, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I always call. When I need you, baby, everything's top. Finally, you put my love on top. Baby, you're the one that I love. Baby, you're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Baby, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I always call. When I need you, baby, everything's top. Finally, you put my love on top. Baby, you're the one that I love. Baby, you're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Baby, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I always call. When I need you, baby, everything stops. Yung pangako, ang sakit. Ang sakit, oo. Oo, 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 oo. Ang sakit ng pangako, oo, oo. Aray, ang sakit, oo. Hindi kinakaya ng pangako. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. For my next song, ano ba, Lord, patawad o roar? Yung seryoso, Gab. Thank you, Alkix, for requesting that song. Roar by Katy Perry. Kakainis. Anong roar patawad? Okay. Please follow me, everyone. Thank you so much. My next song is Roar by Katy Perry. I used to bite my tongue, hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I sit quietly, agreed politely. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I'll let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything. You held me down, but I got up. Thank you, Satanga. Thank you, Moms. You hear my voice, you hear that sound, like something gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Ha! Get ready, 'cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, fighter, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar, roar, roar. You're gonna hear me roar. Now I'm floating like a butterfly, singing like a bee and the stripes. I went from zero to my own hero. You hit me down, but I got up. Hey, already brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound, like they're gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, 'cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, a fighter, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar, roar, you're gonna hear me roar, roar, you're gonna hear me roar. Thank you so much. Salamat po. Thank you, everyone. For my next song, Dancing Queen. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Keep namin gusto yun, everyone. Parang unti nyo lang ngayon. Baka busy yung iba. Thank you, Ate Aya. Thank you, Gamerzone. Thank you so much. Or baka maraming naka-live pala, no? Nakapalipat-lipat yung iba. Thank you so much, everyone. Ooh, you can dance, you can jive every time of your life. Ooh, stay back, girl. Watch that scene, dig into to go. Where they play the rock music, getting in the swing. You come to look for a king.
Thank you, Asher.
Anybody could be that guy. Not as young as the music's high. Oh, with a bit of rock music, everything's fine. You're in the mood for a dance. And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen. Young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh yeah, you can dance, you can shine, having the time of your life. See that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen. Ha ha. Turn them on, leave them burning and then you're gone. Sino yung tipak ko? Looking out for another, anyone would do. You're in the mood for a dance. And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen. Young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh yeah, you can dance, you can shine, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen. Dancing queen. Digging the dancing queen. Thank you, Mark. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the gifts, Mark. Ooh, yeah. Thank you, Blackheart. Okay. For my next song. Next song natin, kuya. Hello kay Ube ba? Hello kay Ube. Favorite ni Ram to. Ram, favorite mo to? Box, favorite mo to, Box? Please follow me, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you, Blackheart. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Hello, everyone. Hello, Mark. Hello, Kuya Ram. Hello, Ate Aya. Ate Aya, how are you? Hello. Maglaro tayo, kakayahin mo ako, kakayahin din kita sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Sa una ay sabay, di ka pwedeng sumabay, pabilis ng pabilis hanggang sa ika'y mangalay. Ow! Sumayaw tayo ng step na gusto mo, mag-isip ka ng sayo dahil meron din ako. Kung sinong mataya, sasayaw siya sa gitna, kasali ang matanda at bata. Get out! Thank you for your bill! Gayahin niyo ako, umikot-ikot, sabay-sabay na tayo. Kumembot-kembot na parang walang buto. Halo kay Ube, halo kay inyo ng todo. Halo kay toka-toka-tok, a piece, a piece, a kiss, a kiss, a kiss, up here, up here, up here. Ay, nabalik, tinigan mo, Katok, a piece, a kiss, appear. Ay, napali, diligan mo. Sasali ba kayo kung manda na ang lahat? Kahit saan ka man, nasa bahay o trabaho, kahit nasa kalsada, pwedeng gayahin to. Maglaro tayo, gagayahin mo ako, gagayahin din kita sa lating kaching-ching. Sa una ay sabay, di ka pwedeng sumablay, pabilis ang pabilis, tayo kay mangalay. Lumukso-lukso, gayahin niyo ako. Umikot-ikot, sabay-sabay na tayo. Umembot-kembot na pero walang buto. Halukay ube, halukay niyo ang todo. Halukay, tok, apisa, kiss, appear. Ay, napali, diligan mo. Uy, ayan na si, Boss Heartless. Piece, a kiss, appear. Ay, napali, diligan mo. Appear, disappear, 1/2, 1/4, 1/4, 1/2, disappear. 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 Lumukso-lukso, gayahin niyo ako. Umikot-ikot, sabay-sabay na tayo. Umembot-kembot, thank you Kuya Pew for the treasure box. Halukay ube, halukay niyo ng todo. Halukay, tok, apisa, kiss, appear. Ay, napali, diligan mo. Tok, apisa, kiss, appear. Ay, diligan mo. Wow, peace. At dahil andito si Heartless. Andito pa ba? Kuya Heartless, andito ka pa ba? Thank you so much, Dreamers Zone! Thank you for the hand heart! Thank you po! Thank you so much! Thank you, guys! Keep tapping the screen. Thank you, everyone! Pag-ibig na naman ang usap-usapan sa paligid ko. Ngunit kung nais mong malaman, di naman ako nagre-reklamo. At ang katotohanan ay di ko mapigilang mapangiti na lang minuto. It's a girl group pa lang nakakabaliw na pag-ibig. Sigurado nung hindi papayag aking puso papahiyo sa'yo. Oh baby, halika, tara na. Sa mo ba gustong pumunta? Sa mundo ko dagat ba? Sa mga ulap kaya walang problemang isipin pa. Kung ikaw naman ang laging makakasama. Lagi na umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi na mapapasabi mahal kita mula umaga hanggang malala na hanggang gabi pauwi. At bago matulog ng mahimik, naisip kita lagi. Please follow me, everyone. Congrats sa Bini. Pag-ibig nga naman, pag ika'y tinamaan, aatras pa ba? Thank you, ice cream. Kala mo'y di kailangan, ngunit ngayon'y di na kayang mag-isa. At tuwing wala sa'yo ang piling, telepono ko ay puno ng usapang mahalaga sa atin. Di magandang umaga, kumain ka na ba? Pag narito ka na hindi maalis sa'yo ang aking tingin. Oh baby, halika, tara na. Sa mo ba gustong pumunta? iisipin ka. Hello, Sel, ang laging makakasama. Everybody say! Lagi na umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi na mapapasabi, mahal kita mula umaga hanggang malala na. Hanggang gabi pa uwi, bago matulog ng mahimik. Naisip kita lagi-lagi, lagi-lagi, lagi-lagi. Sa'yo lang naramdaman ang di ko naman hinanap. Oh, ikaw pala araw sa likod na ulap, ulap, ulap. Umaawit mula kusina. Thank you, Tashiko. Thank you, Samsam. Lagi na mapapasabi, mahal kita mula umaga hanggang malala na. Kung gabi pa uwi, bago matulog na mahimik. Naiisip kita lagi-lagi. Thank you, Sal. Lagi-lagi, oh lagi-lagi, lagi-lagi. Lagi na umaawit, lagi-lagi, lagi-lagi. Thank you po. Salamat sa inyo. Salamat. Makakantay kami yan. Salamat Dok sa inyo. Salamat sa... Thank you so much po for all the gifts. Salamat po. Ayan. Pwede sige sa third set, go lang. Request lang kayo, guys. If you have song requests for the third set, I'll appreciate it if mga ano ba? Ano bang mga, anong genre naman? Mga ano naman tayo, mga, ano ba? Disney songs, ganon. Mga Disney songs. Hawak mo. Sige, maganda din yan. Sige, bet ko rin yung hawak mo. Sige, mga ganon tayo, mga Disney songs, or kaya yung mga ano. Oo, mga ganon. Sige, try natin. If may i-request kayo yung Disney songs, guys, go request lang kayo ng Disney songs for our third set. For our third set. Thank you so much po sa mga nag-tap ng screen. Salamat po sa mga nag-follow. Thank you so much. Please help me reach 18K followers. Ganun ba? Ay, hindi ko alam yung sa Pocahontas. Hindi ko pa na pag-aaralan. Sige, Kuya Piu. Go. Sige, yung Colors of the Wind. Aladdin, yung kanta ni Jasmine. Ano po dun? In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Sige, request lang kayo, guys. Speechless. Oh, go. Parang naiipit lang eh, hindi maganda. Kaka-edit ko lang. Nang ano? Last ano na lang, kuya? Ili-ili. Sige, go. Sige, kung anong gusto nyo. Ili-ili, poster nino kuya? MNL? Thank you, Emmanuel Moana. Wow, peace. Yan, sige, speechless. Ni Via. Si ganda. Okay. Parang Pakwin Yasmin na yung pagkakanta. Yoko na. Hawak mo ang beat po ba? Hawak mo reflection, color of the wind, speechless, ideal, game. Hawak mo ang beat. Okay. For my first song for the third set, Hawak mo by Laika Estrella. Yan. Challenging tong song na to. Kaya natin yan. Ulit. Yan. Thank you everyone. Salamat po sa mga nagpo-follow. Bakit ako nandito? Saan mang tungo? Kanino ko magtitiwala? Kung puso at isip ay iligaw, sino bang kakapitan? Sabihin ng kanyang pangalan. Narito, buksan ang puso ko. Hawak mo ang aking kamay sa aking paglalakbay, at ngayon ay nakita ko, natutunan kong magmahal, at kahit na muli kong masaktan, lahat may dahilan. Kadiliman iyong pinarang, ilan mong daanan. Hawak mo. Please follow me, everyone. Thank you so much. Madaling man ang nakaraan, naghatingin sa tutunguhan, bukas na may kaliwanag at pag-asa'y pang hahawakan. Tatawag sa iyong pangalan, narito, bukas ang puso ko. Hawak mo ang aking kamay sa aking paglalakbay, at ngayon ay nakita ko, natutunan kong magmahal, at kahit na muli pang masaktan, lahat may dahilan. Kadiliman iyong pinarang, ilan mong daanan. Nag-aapoy na damdamin ang pag-ibig mo sa'kin, nagdulot ng kaligtasan. Wala na hawakan mo ang aking kamay sa aking paglalakbay, at ngayon ay nakita ko, natutunan kong magmahal, at kahit na muli pang masaktan, lahat may dahilan. Kadiliman iyong hinarang, ilan mong daanan. Thank you so much. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you guys. Please follow me, everyone. Thank you so much. Salamat po sa mga nagpa-follow sa akin. Na-appreciate ko po na sobra. Thank you, everyone. Keep tapping the screen, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nick. Salamat po. For my next song, Reflection. Thank you po. Thank you everyone. Keep tapping the screen. Hello Roldan. Keep tapping the screen everyone. Thank you so much po sa mga nagpa-follow sa akin. Thank you so much. For my next song, Reflection po. Frances tayo ngayon. Frances. Jing Jing! Hello, Balut! Sino yun? Look at me. I may never pass for a perfect bride or a perfect daughter. Can it be? I'm not meant to play this part. Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, I would break the family's heart. Frances ako. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Somehow I cannot hide who I am, though I've tried. When will my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show who I am inside? Thank you, everyone. Frances. I'm a Frances. Okay, for our next song. Ang ating susunod. Thank you, Papa J. Thank you so much for all the gifts. Ang ating susunod na kanta. Ano susunod natin kanta po? Wait lang ba? Ayun. Colors of the Wind. Okay. Colors of the Wind. Thank you everyone. Keep tapping the screen. Thank you so much po sa inyo lahat. Anyari? Anyari saan? You think you know whatever let you let on. Third is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree of creation has a life, has a spirit, has a name. We say we are Peach. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think of you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you learn things you never knew, Have you ever sinasabi ko. With all the voices of the mountain, colors of... Hindi ko alam yung tono. Wag na nating ipilit. Hindi ko alam yung tono. Hindi ko pa kasi nakakanta to ng kung ano ginagawa kong tono eh. Hindi, ayoko na. Ayoko na, hindi ko alam yung tono. Mali-mali yung tono ko sa first verse. Sorry. Palitan na lang natin. Pero mag-speechless muna. Sorry sa nag-request. Sorry. Sorry na. Mali-mali tono ko eh. Okay. Speechless. Beauty and the Beast. Sige, yan na lang. Here comes a wave meant to wash me away, a tide that has taken me under. Swallowing sand left with nothing to say, my voice drowned out in the thunder. But I won't cry, and I won't start to crumble. Whenever they try to shut me and cut me down, I won't be silent. You can't keep me quiet. Won't tremble when you try it. All I know is I won't go speechless. 'Cause I breathe when they try to suffocate me. Don't you underestimate me? 'Cause I know that I won't go speechless. Written in stone, every rule, every word, centuries ordered unbending. Stay in your place, better seen than not heard. But now that story is ending. 'Cause I cannot start to crumble. So come on and try to shut me or cut me down. I won't be silent. You can keep me quiet. Won't tremble when you try it. All I know is I won't go speechless. Speechless, let the storm in. I cannot be broken. No, I won't let unspoken. 'Cause I know that I won't go speechless. Try to lock me in this cage, I won't just lay me down and die. I will take this broken wings and launch me burn across the sky. Hear the echo sighing, I won't be silent. Tremble when you try it. All I know is I won't go speechless. Speechless, 'cause I'll breathe when they try to suffocate me. Don't you underestimate me? 'Cause I know that I won't go speechless. All I know is I won't go speechless. Speechless. Thank you po. Salamat po. Thank you so much. Okay, for my next song. Try ko lang to ah. Ba't yung iba natatakot sa kanta na? Para makatulog kayo. Wait lang. Ito ba yun? Wait.
Wait lang, may iniisip ako. Sorry. Again. Ay, mabilis pala yun. Ay, isa pa. Last na pala. Nanakot. Ayoko na nga. Okay, for my next song. Sama ng ugali ni Gabano, ang pangit. Bablock kita. Beauty and the Beast. Okay. Ito ba yung kay Justin Bieber? Hindi yan yun. Till as old as time. Nanakot. Thank you po. Thank you so much po. Till as old as time, true as it can be, believe in friends that somebody met unexpectedly. Just a little change. 2 taon na naman ako. Small to say the least, both a little scared, neither one prepared. Beauty and the Beast, ever just the same, ever a surprise, ever as before. Never just as sure as the sun will rise. Hello, yes. Nakasali na ako sa sa tawag ng tanggalan.
Never just the same, and never a surprise. Never as before, never just as sure as the sun will rise. Till as old as time, tune as old as song, bittersweet and rising in the east, tale as old as time, song as old as rhyme, beauty and the beast. Tale as old as time, song as old as rhyme, beauty and the beast.
Ay, nagaw si Queen Yasmin.
Oh, beauty and beauty and the beast.
Chares. Kuya Regine tuloy. Kuya pa yun, hindi ko alam. Jing Jing! Kada pasok si Jing Jing, lagi ko na, Jing Jing! Iba yun, ma. Iba yun.
Babae po ako, mali kayo sa inaakala nyo. Babae po ako. Yan ang Disney song sa
Hindi ko alam pa, Kuya Pio. Sige, mag-isa tayong bonus song. Bonus song! Try natin mag-Lea Salonga.
What a journey.
Hindi ko para mag-aaralan yun. Ano ba alam ko kay Lea Salonga? Mag-on my own nga tayo.
On my own, pretending he's beside me. All alone, I walk with him till morning. Zing zang! Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes and he has found me. In the rain,
Hindi ko pa rin mag-aaralan yung Right Where You Belong.
shines like silver. All the lights are misty in the river. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I see is me forever and forever. And I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that he is blind, still I say there's a way.
I love Cup of Joe. Tuloy ko ba to? Mag-Cup of Joe na lang. Sige, last song na natin, Cup of Joe. Ano ko ba to? Again. Good evening, Edmund.
Umiiwas ng tingin, laging nakatanaw sa mga tala, nakatungaw sa bintana. Kailan mo ba magagawa taliwas sa dilim? Ang natatanging kaganahan, nababalot ng hiwagang humahalin sa Ika'y di ko maintindihan. Nais mo silayan ng iyong mga matang puno ng lihim at ng kislan. Nga lang bang isang estranghero pagbibigyan ng puso ko? Natotorete sa'yo, hindi alam kung bakit ba ako nabighani sa iyo. Hindi alam kung bakit ba ganito kahit na alam kong mukhang wala rin naman itong patutunguhan. Kahit pa ilaan lahat ng oras sa'yo, hindi titigil hanggang ako na ang dahilan ng iyong iting misteryoso. O araw-araw na lang akong bumubulong sa hangin. Ilang awit pa ba ang isusulat? Wala na bang hangganan? Kailan mo ba mapapansin? Nais masilayan ang iyong mga matang puno ng lihim at kislan. Nangalang ba isang estranghero o pagbibigyan ng puso ko? Hello Edmund, natotorete sa'yo. Hindi alam kung bakit ba ako nabighani sa iyo. Hindi alam kung bakit ba ganito kahit na alam kong mukhang wala rin naman itong patutunguhan. Kahit pa ilaan lahat ng oras sa'yo, hindi titigil hanggang ako na ang dahilan ng iyong iting misteryoso.
Thank you everyone. Keep tapping the stream. Thank you so much po. This is my last song. Thank you everyone.
Di maipaliwanag kung bakit nabighani sa iyo. Walang rason, walang pero, basta ito ay totoo. Di akalaing makakapiling ko ang isang katulad mo. Tila isang engkantong laging hinahanap-hanap ko. Giliw tanging ikaw ang patutunguhan. Kahit pa salong at ang aking oras sa'yo, di makipaniwalang ako na ang dahilan ng iyong iting misteryoso. Da-da-da-da-da, misteryoso, misteryoso.
Thank you so much.
Ang gulo ni Kam. Nakakainis. Ang cute ni Madge. Ano mukha na naman akong sponge na pang sponge na pang hugas ng plato. Mga karandoman ni Gab. Eddie Bay.
Eddie Bay.
Eddie Bay. Sino si Eddie Bay, Papa J? Madge po.
Hello Kuya Jeyo.
Oo, alam ko yan. Kamusta kayo? Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Ay, paprank tayo ngayon. Kunwari, princess ako. Kunwari, oh, you're from Earth? Oh my gosh. I'm from the world of... Ah! Wala na, blinak na ako pag ganun. Mukha ba akong okay? Ewan ko. Walang maniniwala. Thank you, Blackheart. Mag-invite ba tayo o wag? Mag-invite ba tayo or no? You decide. Kuya, bakit po kuya? Kuya, bakit kuya?
Yes? Uy, bakit niyo ako tinatawag? Makabaliwan na naman yan. O game na, Gina. I-invite ako.